Now in this video we will see citizenship in dictionary. So like we were checking a element is a member of a list or not. So in this in dictionary we will see as well that a value is a member of dictionary or not. So like a list I want we can I a in this list or not a comma b. So yes, it is. So it is returning to. So that kind of operation is called checking the membership. So can we check membership in dictionary? Yes, we can check membership. So how we can check membership? Let's see by the example. I am defining this dictionary. So this is the dictionary. So if I want to check the membership, like if you want to check is Rohit. So it is returning false, but actually it is a present in Rohit. So how? Because it consider only keys. So let's say name in Rohit. So it will return true. So yes, true. Age in Rohit. So it will return true. So if we want to, so this is the membership that we access the membership using keys, not the values. If you want to check the membership of using the values, then it will return false. So you have to make sure that you are using a key to check the membership. So one more important thing that how to access all the keys in dictionary. So this is my Rohit is dictionary. So I want to access all the keys, only keys. So just use keyword. So it will return a it will return keys of this dictionary. So it is not list. It is actually a list keys. It is also iteratable, not a list, but it is dictionary of keys. So now, so we can check that it is list or not. So just use this type of. So no, it is dict key, not the list. Not dictionary, not list is a dict key. So like this, can we access values as well? Only values as well. Yeah, we can access only values as well. Just using values keyword. So it is returning values. Now can we access both? Yes, we can access both as well. Rohit dot now using items it will return both. So these are not dictionary, but these are iteratable. Means these are iteratable means the like we can iterate through list, we can iterate through string. So we can iterate through a range function. So a so we can iterate through this function as well. This is not the function, this is the data structure. So we can also iterate through this. We can also iterate through this data structure. So I think this is enough for this video. We will meet you in next one.